Welcome to B.Y.O.O TV.
Welcome to this video, based on the story of the town rat and the country rat. This story is brought to you by Excellence Junior School. Gaston is a small gray mouse. He lives in the countryside in a green field and is very happy. His friend Lucien visits him. Lucien is a town mouse. He is very elegant, with a small black hat. Gaston prepares dinner for his friend, bringing corn and fresh water. "This is a good meal," says Gaston. Lucien looks at the corn with sadness. "It's too simple," he says. "Come to the city with me, Gaston." The two friends walk for a long time on the path. Finally, they arrive in front of an immense house. It is Lucien's house. They enter the house. There is a large living room with a red carpet and shiny furniture. They go into the dining room. On the large table there is yellow cheese, ham, and a large cake. Gaston tastes the delicious cheese, and Lucien eats a small red strawberry. "Life here is magnificent," says Gaston. Suddenly, a large orange cat arrives in the room. It is Felix. He has long whiskers and looks at the mice. Gaston and Lucien are very scared. They jump off the table and run quickly to hide from the cat. Gaston returns to the countryside. He eats his corn in peace. "Calm is better than cheese," he says.